Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, unboxing. I already unboxed this item, but I'm here to share it again, and I'm gonna tell you why. Here to see what's in this here. Let me show you this box, y'all. This here big old box. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. You need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Okay, why is something blinking? Before I filled up really quick. So like I was saying, if you here to see what's in this big ass box, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here big ass box unboxing. Okay, so let's go on and unbox it. I got me some handy dandy scissors. What happened to my box cutter? Somehow it's gone, and most likely my daughter had something to do with that, but she said no. But I don't lose shit because I put shit back when I'm finished with it. It wasn't me. This is a big ass box, let me tell you. Right side. Ooh, I just feel like I had a fight with the box. Just got the box today. Today is November the 11th. Now, keep in mind, I had to work today. I called and told my daughter, I was like, hey, I got a package coming today. Can you watch out for my package? On the UPS app, it said 2 to 6. Maybe around 2 to 6 it's going to come. Around 11 o'clock. I have a ring bell. So I can see who's at my door. So I think it was around 10:39 or 11:50. Someone knocked at my door, the UPS guy, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm texting my daughter like, hey, get the door. While this little heifer was in the shower, I mean, I'm texting, I'm calling. Mind you, I'm at work, I'm on the floor. It's like, you know what? Okay, I'm off Monday. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll just wait. But I was pissed because she was home. This is the second time this shit happened. I saw him come knock on the door. He didn't knock that long. He did like a knock, stood there for about 2 seconds, and he walked off. Damn. So I was like, all right, whatever. I just have to wait till Monday. So a few minutes later, my phone rang, and I'm at the register calling. So he left a message and was like, you know, this the UPS guy. I was trying to deliver your package. When I tell you I flew my ass to the back, I was like, are you still in the area? Because my daughter's home. He was like, yeah, I didn't leave. I'm outside. And I'm like, oh my gosh, can you bring that box back? And he was like, yeah, I got you. He brings the box back. Mind you, I'm calling, FaceTiming. I'm calling my daughter through my Amazon thing, like the little Alexa thing. I'm calling her through there, hollering her name. She didn't answer. Tell you God is good. He was like, don't worry about it. I'm gonna just leave it at the door. Now, mind you, it was a signature required. The package at the door. And the reason why I'm telling you this story is because I get packages a lot. But y'all know here on this channel, I have gotten a lot of UPS packages. And when I tell you, not one UPS guy ever called me or ever called my phone. So for him to call me, I was like, that was nobody but God. It was meant for me to have this package. Wait, because no UPS guy never called me. I just missed the UPS package not too long ago. I just had to wait the next business day. Nobody never called my phone. And I was just like, that was just so crazy to me. So he left the box outside. And when my daughter finally answered, she was in the shower. Maya, throw something on and grab my box. So I say that to say, God is good. Like, God is good, because I'm telling you, no UPS guy ever called me, because my mom was like, how did he get your number? I do know when we send things, we do give out our number. Like, I gave it to the salesperson, so I don't know if that's how he got my number, but yes, quick. I was like, thank you so much. Like, oh my gosh. Now let's go on back to this hair unboxing. A Louis Vuitton item. Oh. This time, this Louis Vuitton item came from an actual Louis Vuitton store. It came from my sales associate, and they sent me some fragrance to see what fragrance I have. Gosh, y'all, I would never get tired of these hair boxes. Fit my grandkids in this box and make a little card for him. As you can see, it's a Louis Vuitton box. And it's not a new bag, you all. Repurchased this bag is because of the fact that I did do the unboxing. And like I said, once I turned the camera off, I did go over the bag and everything like that. And I did notice some imperfections on that particular bag. So like I said, for me, it has to be 100%. And it wasn't. So I sent that bag back directly to one of my essays, and that's exactly what I did. Just cross this bag is 100%, because if it's not, I'ma just let it go. Like, I'm not going to order this bag for the third time. Not 100%. I'ma just leave it alone. To me gift from the things that I got rid of. Out to the young lady who purchased my backpack, girl. I am so happy you are enjoying your new backpack. Like, oh my gosh, video just put the biggest smile on my face. Like, oh my gosh. Our video down below so y'all can go check it out, because I'm telling you, if I'm getting rid of anything, just know that you are in good hands, and she will validate and verify that for you. I have to say, I do still have my Karigami for sale and my small Gucci bag for sale. Just so happy that you enjoying your purchase, and thanks for the shout out, girl. I appreciate it. I already know what bag this is, because I did just do an unboxing for this here bag. I liked the bag a whole lot, but like I said, it wasn't 100%. It is the BB, what is it, the No Way BB. So let's see what this looks like. I was about to say, oh shit, it's missing a strap. I was about to say, you know what, I'm gonna just leave it alone. This one is a lot better, because here on the buckle, it has clear wrapping, so you know this is a new bag. Because I was like, okay, can you make sure this is brand new? Like, I don't even want a bag that y'all pulled out and showed people. I want it to be brand new from the back, and that's exactly what she did for me. Good to have an essay, seriously. So here is the strap. Like I said before in the unboxing, version over the MM is because of the fact that you get two straps. It's the one, and I do feel like the MM would be a nice size, but for me, I prefer the BB. So let's look and see where this bag is from. The bag I chose to get, I didn't want to spend crazy money on a new bag. Like I said, I like to stay within a certain price range, purchase a more expensive bag and put the difference to it. But for me, I'm okay. We did get rid of some things, but I didn't want to go crazy with, you know, purchasing a really expensive bag. I stay in my lane when it comes to Louis Vuitton. Some nice bags, but I just refuse to pay that $3,000 and $4,000. Here is Louis Vuitton made in Paris. The same bag, but like I said, it was some things about that first bag that kind of bothered me after I filmed the video. So I was just like, okay, I like the bag, and to keep it, I want to make sure the bag is 100%. I said, I just made one phone call and I got my bag. And this bag came overnight. It was supposed to come on Tuesday, and I was like, shit, I gotta work on Tuesday. So it ended up coming, like I said, the next day. And I was so happy, because I forgot to ask for overnight shipping, because when I ordered through my essay, she usually ships it overnight for free. The only thing about this particular bag, I am going to have to wait until it patina. Did the unboxing, I was like, oh, this bag is so cute. Like, I like the bag. I like how my stuff was fitting in here. This bag is so cute, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I am so glad this bag came back 100%. I have to wait until this bag darkens, because this bag is so cute. Go into detail regarding the bag, because I did just do a unboxing. Inside of the bag, like, I love this hair color. Is it like a plum color? Of your button pocket here in the middle. Like, oh my gosh. Now this, since everything is everything, I probably will put this under the tree, because you know I'm carrying my bum bag. Do a unboxing on the wallet, and this is why I wanted something cute and small, so I can just place in here, and it's monogram and goes along with the bag. So here is how it look in the inside, like that pop of color. Still debating on if I should keep this or upgrade it to the leather version. Sure as of yet. And I like this because it carries all my essentials. To carry a little small cosmetic pouch, and that's what I wanted to do. Bag, I can carry a small pouch, but it will take up a lot of room. Share with you all my second unboxing. To be completely honest about the first unboxing, like I said, I did have to send that bag back because I do not believe in keeping nothing that's not 100% or so good. So this here will be the newest piece added to my collection. Probably will do a updated collection regarding my Louis Vuitton because I only got rid of one bag in my collection. I got rid of a few other bags, but that was a few years ago. But recently I just got rid of the one bag, and that was my only leather bag, was that Montessori backpack. Would have preferred to purchase another leather bag, but I'm gonna be completely honest, I didn't want to spend the money. I'm just being completely honest. I didn't want to spend all that extra money for another leather bag, because I could have gotten this in the leather version, but mine the monogram. Like, I like the monogram. Yeah, I just didn't want to spend that extra on a leather bag. Maybe down the line, if someone gives me the leather bag or help with the purchase of the leather bag. But yeah, here's the card case that I had in here. I'm still not sure about this here card case, y'all. I feel like the YSL is a better deal because the YSL is all leather. I just like the charms on this here card case. So the second unboxing, only because the first unboxing was a little off. Now this box here is big as hell. This is a big ass box. What I'm about to do with this here box. But yeah, that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and put this big ass box under the Christmas tree. On it, it's probably going to be empty. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna use the bag now or wait for Christmas, because Christmas is not that far away. So I could wait till Christmas, but I don't have to wait till Christmas. But I don't know. Not Christmas anymore in my house because everybody's grown. So I don't know. I may just keep it out because I don't want to be, you know, I don't know. I may just keep it out and start wearing her for her to darken. I probably will spray this with Apple Guard if I have any Apple Guard left, because I did spray my bum bag, but it still ended up getting stained. So I don't know what do the Apple Guard protect. I don't know. All the love on my latest video, the vlog that I did with me showing my new wig, the flowers, and all that other stuff, and me talking about, you know, when they and all that. Like on that video, you all, thank you so much for the love, because I appreciate sharing things about my life, and when y'all can relate, like, it just like makes me so happy. And then when y'all send love and prayers, like, y'all, when I tell you, please keep them love and prayers coming, because it helped me get through my day. Like, I was reading some of the comments on my lunch break, and I just started smiling, started watering. I'm like, y'all just don't know what y'all love and prayers do for me here on this channel. So please keep them coming, because Miss Tamika really needs them. Like, I really need y'all love and prayers here on this channel. I said, whatever I decide to do far as me relocating back to PA, I will let you know. You know, right now it won't be it won't be next year. If I do, it'll be probably the following year, because my daughter has one more year of high school here. So after thinking about it, I was like, maybe I should just wait until she graduates, and then that following year, you know, we go ahead and make the move, because expensive move, and it's not cheap, and I have to, you know, I have to call moving companies to get quotes. Of course, what I learned when I first moved down here, I'm not bringing everything. I'm gonna probably have to get rid of some stuff, sell some stuff, and things like that. So it's like a long process that I'm gonna need more than just from November to January to figure that all out. So I figure if I give myself some time, I can get myself together, get my money right, you know, make sure I find a good place for us and make sure my job is lined up right and things like that. Whatever reason it don't work out and I'm not able to go back home for whatever reason, I will let you know. But I do know I want to move out of Georgia, but I just don't know where right now besides PA. I go to Florida, but you know, it's just a matter of finding something worth me moving for. I did find something, but after I was doing the whole math on the moving costs and everything like that, I was just like, I can't do it right now. Like I can't, but I can't. So I can wait. It's no rush. I think it would be a lot better anyway once my daughter graduates, and if she decides to go to college, we can go from there. Yeah, you all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't have to share this unboxing, but I wanted to share the unboxing so I could show you and why I had to return the item. Update you all, but you know, y'all my girlfriends, so I wanted to share with you all why I had to reorder the bag. With that being said, you all, if you enjoy my unboxing, so I did get a few comments stating that y'all do want to see a updated video on my weight loss journey, and you know I got you. So please make sure you do click on that subscribe button, you all, so you don't miss out. And weight loss video, not sure when that video is going to go out, but when it do, make sure you put your notifications on so y'all can be notified. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.